Hello everyone, it's Miss Cameron from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and today we are making a basketball ball and cup game. You're gonna need some scissors, some yarn or string, paper or plastic cup, wooden stick of some kind, this is a popsicle stick, a ping pong ball, an X-Acto knife, a Sharpie or a black marker, and some hot glue. Okay, so our first step is going to be to decorate our ping pong ball as a basketball. So one down the middle, flip it around, do a cross and continue that. Just like that. And now you're going to do 2 circles, smaller circles to do the curves. So we got one side done. And there we go. Just gonna color that in, just like that. So now we're gonna prep our cup. So we're going to need an X-Acto knife. This will be a big person's job, be careful, these are sharp. So you're gonna need a little hole in the bottom for your string, and you're gonna do 2 slits for your popsicle stick so that your popsicle stick can go all the way through, and you've got your little handle just like that. So next up, we're going to take our yarn or string and we're going to attach our ball. So we will be using hot glue, so you might need some help. We don't want to burn ourselves. I'm going to start with a little glob on my ball just to stick down the end. I'm going to wrap it around and meet it right there. You can add some glue halfway through just to make sure it's nice and stuck down. All right, now we are going to thread the other end of our string into the bottom of the cup. So you can use like a pencil to poke it through. I'm gonna use my X-Acto knife to get the string through. Now it might be a little hard to fish it out on the other end. So if you need to, you can remove your popsicle stick. That's what I'm gonna do. And so you should see it poking through and reach in. There we go. So you can adjust how long you want your string. I think probably be a little shorter, maybe about a foot. So what I'm gonna do is tie it around the popsicle stick. Or maybe just wrap it around. I'm gonna do a drop of hot glue. Just like this. So I've glued my yarn to my popsicle stick, and I'm going to push it back through the other side. Okay, I'm going to trim off the extra on the other end. We now have our basketball ball and cup. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it and try and fling it. Oh, I did it! All right, we're all done. If you wanna decorate your cup and ball in a different way, feel free, go ahead, have fun, and challenge your friends. See if they can beat your record. Bye.